So hello all, this is Shruti and in today's video we are going to learn how to make puff sleeve in Clo 3D. So yeah, let's start with that. So first of all I have to open one Clo file where I want to add this puff sleeve. So this is the file, and then you have to freeze all the garments and unfreeze the sleeve part. Then we have to open our 2D window, go on to the sleeve pattern, and then from edit pattern tool, cut and sew this line. First of all we have to extend this segment and then cut and sew. Okay, so this is the part which we have just cut, and then we have to reduce the length of this pattern. And then from Control H, strengthen the pattern, and from space button simulate the pattern. Also add 100% elastic here to have more even fitting, so you can see the result. Also strengthen this part, or we will symmetrize this pattern in the last, so just delete this part. So let's work on this pattern only for now. Now we are making this sleeve as a puff sleeve. We just have to extend this pattern to add more fullness. Also reduce from edit sewing tool, reduce this stitching distance. Similarly on back side also. And from free sewing tool, stitch this part to have gathers. Also add points. We are adding this point to have more shearing effect, and also add the shearing. Just click the segment and then add shearing here, and then simulate from your space button. Similarly on the hem also we can add shearing. So this is the look. If you want you can increase the length for more puffer effect. So this is the final result. Now make this onto particle distance 5. So we are done with our sleeve. Simply symmetrize this whole pattern and place it on the left, and then simulate. So yeah, we are done with our puff sleeve now, and then just unfreeze hold this pattern and we are ready with our 3D. So yeah, that's all for today.